Hey, it's Clay Trader, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol JNUG. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. Real quick, what do I mean by 30-minute in case maybe you're new to charts? Instead of each one of these candlesticks representing 1 day's worth of price action, which is what you would normally see, each one represents 30 minutes. So while this here may look like several days worth of time, it's actually just today's price action broken down into 30-minute time slices. I like through this time frame. I think it does a good job of telling the quote-unquote story of the price, and then makes mapping out where levels of support and resistance a bit easier to see. I did this analysis on Friday, so that's where these red and green lines are coming from. And another very nice day here for the chart, so some updates need to be put into place. So first thing I'm going to do is just get rid of this green line down here. Sure, it still pertains to the chart, but from a presentation standpoint, and not wanting a million lines everywhere that can cause clutter and confusion, just want to try to keep this as clean as possible. One of the first updates, though, that needs to be made is based off a foundational principle in charting, which states when levels of resistance are broken and closed above, you want to see them act as support. So for those of you that did watch the video on Friday, hopefully you remember me talking about 650 as resistance, but now that the price has broken above it, which happened right there, this would be the ideal level. I mean, hey, Clay, what would make this chart look the absolute best going forward? If the price can stay above 650, that would indeed make the chart look quite powerful. Now, if the price does drop below it, I'm not saying that everything's totally ruined or anything like that, but yeah, certainly if it can stay above 650, that would be a very good, that would represent very strong power on the bull's part. Now, in the event the price can hold above there, the next key level of support to keep an eye on is going to be that purple line there, which is the 50-period simple moving average. You can see it's got a very nice upward slope to it right now, and the longer the price stays above there, the better that upward slope is going to get. So from a very kind of black and white perspective on things, really, as long as the price is above that purple line, then as far as the current bounce is concerned, right here, the bulls are in full control of the bounce. Again, as long as the price is above that purple line, bulls are in 100% health. Now, what about levels of resistance? As things stand right now, resistance makes perfect sense. Why do I say that? Well, when I get this line in place, I'll explain it. And that key resistance is there at $7. You look back here through the history of the chart, right around the $7 area, knocked it down. And again, today you can see price is struggling right up around that $7, give or take a few cents. I'm not saying that $7 can't be broken or anything like that. I'm just saying it does make sense why the bulls are struggling up around that area. So that's the initial level of resistance. Next key battleground after that will be that pink line up there, which is the 200-period simple moving average. So no doubt about it, though, very nice way to start off the week. So we'll see if the bulls can continue to build upon this momentum or not. One of the most popular questions I get is, hey, Clay, how do you find the stocks that you trade? So what I've done is put together this free resource guide where I talk about the tools that I use to locate stocks that I find interesting and think may have potential. So if that sounds like something that could add value to you as a trader, then by all means, click right there to get access to the guide. The guide itself is very short and to the point, and like I say, it is free. Thanks for watching. Have a good one.